Hey guys, welcome to Easy WordPress tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix preview could not be loaded error in Elementor. I came to know about this error while I was updating one of my posts. When I try to open it with Elementor, it is saying preview could not be loaded. So here you can see when I go to my post and edit it with Elementor, it is displaying me a message that says preview could not be loaded. This message. So this message is basically caused by enabling Rocket Loader in Cloudflare account. So if you guys don't know what Cloudflare is the most popular CDN network that is used by millions of websites throughout the world to make your website load faster. So what Cloudflare does is it will load your website from the nearest data center, so to save the time and bandwidth. So to fix this error, what we have to do is we have to log into our Cloudflare account. So here you can see this is my Cloudflare account. You have to go to your website and then click on speed and then optimization. Here you have to find the Rocket Loader and you have to disable that. So this is my Rocket Loader. It is on right now. So I'm going to turn it off, and that's all. And go back to your website and clear all the cache. Now try again to edit your post with Elementor. Hopefully it works this time. Here you can see the issue is finally resolved. So if you like the content, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further updates when I upload new video.